Introduction to Rewire and Rebuild. Welcome to Rewire and Rebuild, one of the most powerful and transformative modules in digital dopamine detox, rewiring your brain for focus in 30 days. If you've made it this far, congratulations, you're already on the path to reclaiming your attention and reshaping your relationship with technology. This module is where the real magic happens. It's about more than just cutting back on distractions. It's about actively rewiring your brain and rebuilding new, healthier habits that will serve you long after these 30 days are over. In this module, we'll dive deep into understanding how your brain's reward system has been hijacked by constant digital stimulation, and more importantly, how you can gently but effectively reset those neural pathways. You'll learn practical science-backed strategies to replace mindless scrolling and endless notifications with focus, meaningful activities that boost your productivity, creativity, and overall well-being. We'll explore techniques to strengthen your mental resilience and develop new routines that support sustained focus, not just for a day or a week, but for a lifetime. You'll discover how to cultivate mindfulness and intentionality in the digital habits so you're no longer controlled by fleeting bursts of dopamine, but empowered by lasting satisfaction and purpose. By the end of this module, you'll have a clear, personalized roadmap to rebuild your brain's natural ability to focus deeply and enjoy life beyond the screen. Imagine waking up each day with clarity, calm, and control, feeling fully present and engaged with what matters most. That's exactly what Rewire and Rebuild is designed to help you achieve. So get ready to take those bold steps forward. Your brain is remarkably adaptable, and with the right guidance, you can create new neural pathways that lead to a more focused, fulfilling, and balanced digital life. Let's dive in and start rewiring and rebuilding together.